Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of the top stories impacting Indian and Indian American communities. It's July 20th, 2026. T20 legend Chris Gayle says the future of American cricket depends on stronger grassroots programs, youth development, and better infrastructure. He believes sustained investment can help the sport thrive beyond marquee tournaments. The Los Angeles Knight Riders defeated Washington Freedom in a thrilling Major League Cricket final, highlighting the league's growing ambition to expand cricket's fan base across the United States. The North America Film Association is broadening its platform to promote Marathi and independent cinema, creating new opportunities for filmmakers to connect with international audiences. Los Angeles City Controller Kenneth Mejia has endorsed Council member Nithya Raman for mayor, saying the city faces deep financial and structural challenges that require bold leadership. Renowned economists Raghuram Rajan and Raj Chetty, along with AI expert Asha Sharma, have been appointed to U.S. Federal Reserve Advisory Task Forces, bringing expertise in economics, technology, and public policy. Indian-origin NASA astronaut Anil Menon has successfully docked at the International Space Station, beginning an 8-month mission focused on scientific research and technology demonstrations. A new Asia Society report says India's carbon trading system could generate more than $500 billion by 2050, while supporting climate goals and creating new economic opportunities. A new exhibition reimagines the sari as more than traditional clothing, presenting it as a symbol of identity, memory, resilience, and cultural expression. Health experts are warning about a rise in cyclosporiosis infections and urging people to wash fresh produce thoroughly and follow food safety practices to reduce the risk. Researchers explain how hormonal changes throughout a woman's life can significantly affect digestion, offering insights that may help improve diagnosis and treatment of gut-related conditions. From biryani to premium mangoes, Indian companies are promoting their products at the Summer Fancy Food Show 2026, targeting the growing global market for authentic Indian foods. A new opinion piece examines the controversy surrounding the ban on Satluj, questioning whether the Central Board of Film Certification struck the right balance between regulation and artistic freedom. As activist Sonam Wangchuk remains hospitalized, international human rights organizations are urging the Indian government to begin meaningful dialogue to address ongoing concerns. A new report examines fears that China's ethnic unity law could accelerate the erosion of Tibetan language, religion, and cultural traditions. The Los Angeles Knight Riders captured their first Major League Cricket championship with a dramatic 1-run victory over Washington Freedom, capping off a memorable season with a thrilling finish. That's for this week roundup. Stay informed with the Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com. Thanks for tuning in.